Hi, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go over your phase change diagram self-grading Google Sheet. So here is your phase change diagram. These are your choices for your answers, and here is your score. So it says here that you're going to choose the best option. When all answers in a row are correct, the cells will turn green. So here you have your different choices. It's either process, point, or phrase. This, once you pick whichever one you pick, so for example, if I pick process, these are all your choices. If I pick point, these are all your choices. If you pick phase, these are all your choices. So again, you just have to make sure that you know if it's a point, a process, or a phase based off of what the description is. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do the first one. So it says this is the melting point. Well, that's a point. Okay, so again, these are all my choices. So looking at my graph, I can see that this is where we start to have our phase change. So this is the beginning of when it goes from our solid to a liquid. So therefore, that point, which is the melting point, is going to be B. If it is correct, they will both change green. So that is how you're going to complete this worksheet. Again, when you're finished, you will go to File, download as your Microsoft file, and then again, I suggest that you put your name in the title here when you download it into your own computer on your file so that you can submit it into Schoology in order to get credit. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out.